What is up YouTube gang, welcome back to the AlphaFX Academy. So this week we had some amazing opportunities in the gold USD spot market and scored just over 500 pips in the last couple of days from 2 or 3 trades. If you want to find out about the latest analysis and forecast for the next week, stay tuned, it's coming. Welcome back to my channel, traders. Now this week we had some superb opportunities on the gold USD spot market. The ones you can see on the screen were shared for the AlphaFX members, as well as one trade was called out in my last YouTube video. Now on the screen you can see the AlphaFX Analysis Telegram group. If you're not a member, by the way, you can sign up at alphafx.eu. So you can see that I post all of the daily setups and analysis before the market open. For example, these 2 trades back from 26th of October, you can see on the screen, I posted 2 gold position with the cumulative P&L was already 426 pips. And I also analyzed major FX pairs, for example, AUD USD or Euro GBP. This one was actually a minus 13 pip loss. And we have other things, for example, GBP USD, US 30, 278 pips profit. We analyze USD Swiss franc. And I also like to post educational stuff because many of you know that I'm a trade economist and I also worked in real professional banking and finance for the past 8 years for hedge funds and one of the biggest Eastern European banks. So I like to talk about economics and real finance as much as possible to educate the people who didn't have the university education. Maybe they're interested to learn about the real finance and how real traders are actually trading on the trading desks. So going back to the chart, you can see that we had some really good trades in the past 4, 5, 6, 7 days. This one was actually bringing 230 pips to the kitchen. The second one was, well, this wasn't 130 pips. This was about 88 pips because I closed down the position earlier than it would have hit take profit level 1. And this one, the third one, was actually when I posted my YouTube video about the drop coming. So you can see in my previous video, the price was hitting at 1800 and I forecasted that it would pull back to 1780. And look what happened. It resulted in a 180 pip drop. And the last 2 trades which I posted into the AlphaFX members group, one of them was just over 200 pips and the second one was actually minus 13 pips. So you can see that not every single trade is a win, but if you look at the screen, the risk reward ratios are designed in a way that the wins are outweigh the losses, and even if we have more losses than wins, the risk reward ratio guarantees that at the end of the month we are still in profit. And of course, like every good trader, I took the day off on Friday because it was the last trading day of the month, and I have a rule that I do not trade on the first and the last trading day of the month to avoid funny moves and protect my capital. But that's enough talk of the past. Now let's focus on the analysis and forecast and what do we have on the gold USD spot market. I'm going to show you a really interesting observations, so make sure you pay attention for the next few minutes because it can make or break your trading for next week. Let's dive in. So I noticed this observation on the gold USD spot market and I guarantee that no one else on YouTube is going to explain this to you. Now buying the dip is always a good strategy, but how do you know whether the price is going to dip to 1753, 1735, 1714 or even lower around the 1618 area? Guess what? It's your lucky day. So currently on the gold USD spot market on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that gold did break the trend line as well as the market structure. So on Friday, you can see that price broke 1783, resulting in a break of trendline as well as the market structure. And guess what? If you look back historically, what happened every single time gold broke the market structure, you will be amazed. So right now we have another break of market structure. So the price broke not just the trend line, but the market structure came down with a retest of the support and resistance level and resulted in a just about 5% drop. Going back a little bit further, you can see that again we have break of market structure, break of trend line, and price dropped. Guess how much? 6.6%, so just about 5 to 6%. And if you're scrolling back again, history repeats itself. So I noticed this reappearing trend on the gold market for the past 7 months, that every single time gold breaks not just the trend line but the market structure, it then followed by a retest of the support and resistance levels. And guess how much gold is dropping every single time for the past 7 months? Just about 6%. So we have a 6% drop here, we have another 6% drop here, after the break of market structure and trend line, and we have another 5% drop here. So every single time gold goes up the stairs, breaks the market structure and drops 6%. Here again, gold goes up the stairs and takes the elevator to dump 6%. Last example, gold is going up on the stairs, breaks market structure and then dump 6% drop. So currently price is now sitting at 1783.
This week we have reached 4,000 subscribers on the AlphaFX channel, which is an amazing achievement, and for this occasion I'm giving away a $100,000 FTM account for free. All you have to do, guys, is share this video in a trading group and leave a comment in the video below. The winner will be announced next week Friday in my Instagram stories, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. So once again, all you have to do, guys, is share this video in a trading group and leave a comment in the video below. That's all. Good luck.
And price broke the market structure as well as the trend line. So if we're looking back the past historical trades or the past price action, what it told us that price is going to come back to retest the support and resistance, and then it's going to drop just about 6%. So let's look, where is the 6% lying at this level? So if we calculate 6% just about from trend line and the previous support and resistance level, the 6% drop lines up exactly with the previous support and resistance level at 1680. Now whether this is going to play out or not, I have no idea, but if you look back historical price action 1, 2, 3, you can see that we can expect that price is going to dump again 6%, which lines up with the support and resistance levels historically. So what it means that because price broke the market structure, now I'm officially looking only for sells, and only when price comes back above 1800, so just about at this level, let's make it 1810. So when price breaks above this level, then I'm going to looking for buys, but until price stays below this level, so 1800, I'm going to look for sell opportunities. So the next sell entry, when price comes back to retest the trend line and the support and resistance, I'm going to enter into sell position. First take profit level will be obviously the previous low at 1762, then we're going to move down to 1745. Third day profit level 1721, and then I'm going to lock in all of the profits because I have no idea where is the bottom of this dip. Is it going to drop down to 1680? It may or may not. Do I want to wait for that? No, I want to lock in profits as soon as possible because that's what my trading plan dictates. So once again, guys, to recap, until price stays below this level 17 or 1800, I'm only looking for sells, and I'm going to take multiple take profit levels based on historical previous lower lows and lower highs. And if price comes back above 1810, then I'm going to look for buy opportunities. Now overall I'm bullish on the gold market, but maybe we have one more dip to come, and when it comes, that's when I'm going to buy. Now it brings us the question, should you place a buy limit at 1680? And my answer is, want to risk the amount of money on buying the dips which you can afford to lose, because the price could easily overspill to 1675, 1670, or even a little bit lower to close out all of the dip buyers. So be careful when you're buying the dip. If you don't know how to buy the dip, sign up for my academy because I'm going to explain everything you need to know about price action. And I also made a video previously, if you look back my channel, where I talk about 3 secrets of gold, where I explain how to buy the dip and how to make sure that that level where you're buying is going to be the one where price is bouncing back. So if you haven't watched the video yet, make sure you go back to my YouTube channel, link in the description below, and watch it. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you sign up to the channel, leave a comment under the video, and smash the like button. This is the AlphaFX.